Thank you for tuning in for another episode of your review channel. Today we're talking about product shots, cheapest way and most inexpensive. If you own an ironing board, yes, an ironing board and a piece of fabric, you can take professional product shots. So stay tuned to the end of this video and I'll show you an example of some of the shots that I took. Let's get into this video right now.
Now listen, if you do product shots at all on eBay or Amazon, or if you sell products at all and you want to take some photos, well, how do you take a photo? What do you do? What's the best setup? Well, there's a couple different setups you can do. Okay, so here's a basic setup here. It's just a table, and you get yourself a white background, and it's seamless as you can see here. And it's pretty simple. It's a pretty simple setup, right? A couple lights, you can see right here, and you just take your photos on this table right here, and that's cool, right? But if you don't have a lot of space and you don't have a lot of room, what do you do? It's really complicated, but it's really not complicated, okay? I'm going to show you a real simple tip and a technique to get the same results, but almost no money you have in your home. Absolutely costs you nothing to make this. This here setup probably cost maybe about $150, you know, with the lights and the backdrop and the table and all this stuff here. All you need, if you have an ironing board at home, okay, an ironing board, a piece of cloth, and some place to hang it, you can exact same result, and this is adjustable, and everybody has pretty much an ironing board. You can go pick up an ironing board, okay? You can do some basic light. It's not expensive. It's just unbelievable how this is going to work. I'm going to show you how to do this right now. Let's get to this video. Open it up. There's your table. Now, how easy was that? I mean, check that out. Okay, now, let me just show you. Okay, there is your table. All right. Now, ironing board adjustable. You can raise it. You can lower it. Right. You can do your product shots right on an ironing board. Now, you asked me, you need a backdrop. If you have a piece of cloth, you can use white or black, it doesn't matter. All you do is drape it over it, like this here. There you have it. Now you can do your product shots right there, okay? How easy was that? Check that out, all right? You straighten it out, you smooth it out, right? Look at this. If you have, look, check it out. I mean, nothing fancy, nothing crazy, real simple. Ironing board, piece of fabric hanging out on a door. You get some products. Here's a screwdriver, let's say for instance. You want to get a shot of the screwdriver. Bam, there's your screwdriver, right? You know, if you want to clean it off, you want it, whatever. But this is as simple as it gets. It's easy as it gets. There's no excuse to have a decent product shots when you're doing products. Absolutely no excuse whatsoever, okay? Here's a ruler. Shoot a ruler. There you go. Simple. This is a back black. I have a white cloth, a sheet. It doesn't really matter. It's that simple. That's my easy. There you go. You can't beat that. And that's adjustable, so you can raise the height. You just hang it from a piece of fabric like that. You hang it from a door. It doesn't matter. This is real easy. I hope you found some value from this video. Please subscribe, please like, and please share. Like I said, an ironing board, a piece of fabric, like $10, maybe $15. You have an old sheet in your house, use that. There's no excuse to have a decent shot. You can really make it look very professional, takes up no space, and costs almost no money. And that's my tip for this one. Any questions or any comments, leave below. I'll leave a link below for an ironing board and some fabric. That way you know if you need to have some. And also all the cameras and rig, everything I use to shoot with this, I'll leave below as well. Hope you enjoyed this. This is your review channel. You make it a good one, and thanks for watching.
So here's some examples I just wanted to show you. This is with that black background, and you can make it a white background or a background, a white fabric or a black piece of fabric over the ironing board. And these are just close-up shots. You can use any camera that you have, a point and shoot, your iPhone, doesn't matter. Nothing expensive. Don't go crazy when you're first starting out. Keep it inexpensive, keep it real. But the idea behind this doesn't take up a lot of space. Very, very small amount of space. You can put this in a closet and take some photos. Real easy. And that's the idea behind it. You don't need this crazy setup. So this is some examples of actually using some white and black backgrounds on the ironing board. It is just so awesome. Over the head shots, straight shots, everything. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you please subscribe to my channel. I do appreciate it. I'll leave a link below for everything. And have a great day. And thanks for watching.